Welcome to Cooking Space, a place where mindfulness and being present meets food and music. A place to chill out, relax, enjoy, get connected, and make something delicious. All right guys, a little taste of the Caribbean today. Today I'm going to Trinidad and Tobago, and I visited there several years back doing a food festival, and I noticed all these cool roadside stands that were serving a fried fish sandwich known as Bake and Shark. And as I rolled up to one of these stands, I could get the aromas, the flavors. I could really smell that coming at me. And gosh, that first bite into that Bake and Shark was so delicious. Looking forward to sharing this with you. Let's get into it. So for our Bake and Shark, we're gonna go through some ingredients, a little bit of process. First thing we're doing is we're gonna make our dough. So I've got all-purpose flour here, salt and sugar, baking powder, a little bit of butter, and water. So we're gonna make a fried dough for our Bake and Shark. Then I'm gonna marinate our shark. And actually, for this process, we have swordfish. And I have a marinade here of lime juice, scallion, thyme, a little bit of jalapeno and olive oil. Just gonna get that going. While that's working, we're gonna make a slaw. And my slaw is cabbage, carrots, cucumbers, mango, cilantro, scallions, some chopped almonds. I have a dressing here of lemon juice, honey, a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. We're gonna put all those things together. Let's get to cooking, guys. So we're gonna make our dough. Got some AP flour in here that will go in, a little bit of salt, some sugar, the baking powder. And we're gonna give this a little mix. Just get all those things working together. Cut in a few pieces of butter. And I'll let that all work. And while that's working, I'm gonna drizzle in a little water. It's working. So I'm just gonna knead it a little bit. Finito. All right guys, so we have our fish here. It's been marinating in lime juice, scallion, thyme, jalapeno, extra virgin olive oil, and cilantro. That's a marinade that's been pureed. And it's kind of loose. So I'd like to marinate this for at least an hour in this liquid. It's gonna pick up some of that flavor. I have swordfish steaks here. You can use cod, you can use snapper, you can use pretty much any white flaky fish. I like the swordfish because it's probably most similar to shark. So very simple process here. So I have a standard breading procedure, seasoned flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. I'll do that. Flour, egg, breadcrumb. Now it's time to get onto our slaw. All right guys, so now we're gonna make our slaw. Very simple mixture here of shredded cabbage, some cucumber, very finely julienne, some carrots, a little bit of mango, some cilantro, scallions, and some slivered almonds. I have a vinaigrette of honey, lemon, a little Dijon mustard, olive oil. We're gonna toss that right in. A little bit of kosher salt, some black pepper as well. This is gonna act as a nice, refreshing element for our Bake and Shark. All right guys, our dough has been resting for an hour. It looks really good. I'm gonna put a little flour here on the board. I'm gonna pop this right out. And we're just gonna give it a nice little, yeah, it's rested really nice. Just gonna give it a little kneading, not too much. And I'm gonna cut a little chunk out to make our bread. So just a little tamp down. We'll roll it out just a hair. Okay, that looks good. Looks good. Let's put it in. See how we do. It's about 375 degrees. See how that goes. All right, guys, so we're gonna just drop these nice pieces of swordfish into the fryer. They're probably gonna cook here till they're golden brown. I'm gonna say a good like 6 to 7 minutes. All right, guys, we've got all of our assembly items here. We've got our fried swordfish, our beautiful fry bread, our coleslaw with mango, habanero, cabbage, cucumber. And I got a few sauces that'll be listed in the recipe link. This is a green garlic marinade, and this is a mango habanero sauce as well, a little spicy. So we're gonna start by cutting our fry dough bread. I'm gonna put a little bit of our garlic sauce right on the bottom. I'm gonna put a piece of the fish there. We're gonna do our slaw, nice little dollop of that right on top. Our mango habanero sauce goes right over the top. Boom, boom, boom. Put that right over there. Oh man. Woo! That's gonna be delish. All right, let's give this a shot. A little spice, a little heat. Right on, guys. The garlic flavor comes through really nicely. The cabbage kind of cuts it. The fry dough is just so delicious. It's warm. Yeah, really good. Wow. So, trip to Trinidad and Tobago via Chef Garces. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking Space. I certainly did. It was a blast. And I want to thank all of our sponsors, especially Sub-Zero Wolf and Cove for allowing us to use their cooking space. I want to thank all of our media sponsors as well. And I want to remind everybody, a portion of all of our sponsorship dollars go to the Garces Foundation, a philanthropic organization located right here in Philadelphia. And for all of the ingredients, methods, and techniques, click on the link below in the description. And I hope you enjoy your cooking space as much as I enjoy mine. Buen provecho, salud, guys. See you next time.